Hey everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're venturing into the world of flavors with a classic Chinese seasoning that's a must-have in any kitchen. Chinese 5-spice. Sweet, spicy, robust, and vibrant. A small dash of this will add life and flavor to your dishes. This is an aromatic blend of star anise, cloves, cinnamon, szechuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. It'll elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, making your own 5-spice is super easy and incredibly rewarding. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Okay, I have the 5 spices that we need for our Chinese 5-spice. First, we need 10 star anise, and we're going to toast them first until they're really aromatic before we grind them. I need 2.5 teaspoons of whole fennel seed, I need 2 teaspoons of szechuan peppercorns. If you don't have szechuan peppercorns, you can use black peppercorns or any other peppercorns. It's just not going to have quite as much spice as the Szechuan ones. Now, I didn't have them available in my store, so I'm just using a mix of black, white, red, and green peppercorns. And we need 2 teaspoons. One small stick of cinnamon, and 6 whole cloves. And we're just going to let them toast until it gets really aromatic. But we don't want to go so far that we scorch them. Otherwise, they'll end up tasting bitter. And this only takes just a couple of minutes. And that's good. They smell really strong, especially the star anise. And now we're going to grind them up in either a spice grinder, which I have, a coffee grinder, or even a blender. I have my toasted spices, and I'm just going to put them in my grinder. And we want to grind it down until it's a powder. Because we're using whole spices, it's going to take just a little bit more time than normal. You can kind of tell by the sound when you're getting rid of all the large pieces. And you can see now it's actually into a fine powder. And we have no large pieces left. And that's your Chinese 5-spice, just as simple as that. You just need to store it in an airtight jar and keep it in your pantry. It'll be good for at least 6 months. After that amount of time, you'll lose a little bit of the potency. You may want to remake it then if you haven't used it all. And in an upcoming video, I'll show you just one of the many ways to use this versatile blend. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Until next time, have fun in the kitchen.